Hey, good morning, everybody. Dr. P checking in with you. As you're going to come to find out, I'll do this pretty much every week. I'll give you an announcement through video that will help you see the major dates and deadlines that we've got to deal with on a weekly basis. Okay? So there are three things that I want you to keep your eye on for this week. Thing one is going to be quiz one. Okay? Quiz one due Wednesday in Canvas. And by Wednesday, I mean 11:59 p.m. So please take care of that if you haven't done so already. Let me clarify a few things on quiz one before we go any further. First and foremost, there's no minimum and there's no maximum word count, page count to any of the quizzes for this semester. If you want to write me 2 sentences and call it good, that's fine. If you want to write me 3 pages and call that good, that's also fine, right? I just need you to fully engage the central question. Now, speaking of the central question of quiz one, okay, this, as you'll find out, is essentially an opinion-based question. There's no wrong way to answer it, but there are insufficient ways of answering it. It's really important that you explain to me why you think what you think, and if you do that, you're not going to have a hard time getting full credit for this particular assignment. The next thing I want you to keep your eye on would be discussion forum 1, which is due Friday at 11:59 p.m. So please make sure that you participate in discussion forum 1 by this Friday, 11:59 p.m. Lastly, I want you to at least start reading Frederick Douglas. Now, it is available in Canvas if you don't want to buy a physical copy of it. If you want to get a hold of it, the one that I've provided for you online, click on modules and then click on online texts, okay? You will be taken to a PDF page. You can download it, you can print it, you can do whatever it is that you need to do to it, and you can read it right there. All that being said, you can also go to your local bookstore, whatever you call that, and you can buy it, probably for cheap, okay? If you're like me, you're old-fashioned and you want a physical book in your hand, then that is a perfectly fine option for you as well. I don't really care what version you're using as long as you're making some solid progress in Frederick Douglass this week. That's all I really have for you in the way of announcements. I'm hopeful that things are off and running and you're off to a good semester. See you later, everybody.